You don't know? Back in the day, this was my daily job in the village. Because we grew a lot of sunflowers. We do this for a living back then. This was my first job. First paycheck. I only paid $14 an hour doing this. What if this is actually, this is going to become new sunflowers? Should we go?
What do you mind? Hey, let's go.
This thing is gonna go in my compost. Oh my lord, this thing's so pokey actually. Look at how fast I'm going. Oh no, holy season's coming out here. There was sunflower shortage or something. That's after this, there is a shortage.
You plant your own. Get the glow. You know how to do that? Let the wind blow down the... Then you drain it.